is it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. First time to the channel, thank you so very much for being here. Make sure you hit on that subscription bell so you do not miss anything which I do have here. While you're at it, make sure to hit on the notification bell so you are notified every time I do have a new upload here on the channel. Those of you who are my loyal fam, thank you so much for being here with the family. On this channel, you're able to find YouTube tips, beauty tips, and a little bit of my crazy that you don't want to miss out on any at all. Today in this video, I am going to be sharing with you how I have used Tubebuddy and also what it have been doing for my channel thus far. So you might want to stick around for that. At this time, you know exactly what I've got to do. It's big up segment. I want to go ahead and big up Beth Awino. Big up yourself, Beth. Of course, on her channel, you will find finances, entrepreneurship, and also about living in Qatar. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Beth. All right, she is a very beautiful soul. You can go on over to her channel and check out all that she has over there. So now that we have got the meet and greet out of the way, let us get into the video. Tubebuddy is an extension where you're able to use it alongside your YouTube channel. When I found out about this back in May of 2020, I went ahead and I got the free version. Now what it does, it allows you to go ahead and plan for your videos. There's a section there that says video planner. You're able to use that. It helps you with keyword search, which is called Keyword Explorer, and also for SEO, that search engine optimizer, it's able to help you with that as well. In the beginning, I did not know what SEO was, so I was just there going out freelancing and just doing my thing. But when I came upon Tubebuddy, I downloaded the free version and I used it for the first part of June. I am going to be sharing with you some statistics and I hope this is also going to be very beneficial to you. If you are interested in getting Tubebuddy, you can go on down into the description of this video. You will see where I do have the Tubebuddy link, and also if you are interested in getting the paid version, use my code. You're able to get it at 20% discount. So all that is in the description area, so you're able to get that. And I'm also going to be pinning it to the comment area so you're able to get quick access to that. Now the options which they do have, they have the free version, they have pro, and there are others which they do have. The highest one being the legend. For me, I am now at the pro, which is for $9 per month. However, with the discount, you're able to get a 20% off, and then you're able to pay $7 per month. Why Tubebuddy? I basically started using Tubebuddy because I wanted for my videos to be able to rank in search. I wanted persons who really want to find my videos, I want for them to be able to find them easily. And by using Tubebuddy, it gave me the opportunity where it gives me rankings to see where I would fall in the YouTube search, should in case someone decides that they want to search for my video. Of course, YouTube is going to be pushing out your video. You do not only want to depend on YouTube. You would want to try to get your videos out, get your content out there to as many persons as you possibly can. And that is what I did. And the moment I started using Tubebuddy, which is the free version, I realized that I was getting some amount of traction on my channel. But then I wanted to get more on my channel. And that is when I made the educated decision, which was to upgrade from the free version to the pro version. With the free, you're only able to get like the top 3 or the top 4 when you're doing your keyword search. I realized that in order for me and for my channel to grow, I would need to grow as well, and I would need to invest. And that is why I said, let me go ahead and invest in Tubebuddy for $7 per month. With Tubebuddy, if you do have a video idea, if you do not have Tubebuddy and you should go on YouTube to search for the video idea which you do have, yes, it's going to be populating all the other videos which are in the same line as what you're searching for, but you do not know what keywords they do use, what tags they use, or anything at all. But with Tubebuddy, it will also show you the percentage rank where that video title is on YouTube. Another great tip which Tubebuddy has is that it will show me how many times this video is shown in the SEO. It will show me the percentage where it is ranked, and also it will show me all the different tags which this creator had used and which of those tags actually ranked and actually allowed for this person's content to push forward to the front. Also, what you're able to do with Tubebuddy is it helps you when you are uploading your videos. It has the different areas and it gives you a percentage to show you where you would fall. It's going to give you the percentage of where your title would rank. Then you would have your descriptions. It helps you to tell you how many times you would need to put your title keywords in your description. Many times persons just leave the description areas blank. Do not do that, guys. Make sure you fill out the description areas and put in keywords which is related to your title. It also tells you where the relevant tags should be and what they should be. It shows you the scores of them as well, so you're able to use them to your advantage. What I love about that is that I'm able to go ahead and pre-fill all of these information, and then once I upload my video to YouTube, then I'm able to just go ahead and just click on that button, and then everything that I've saved over in Tubebuddy will just come over into YouTube. So that is saving me a lot of time. And that is the same thing as well with when you're planning your videos. What you will do, you have a title, go ahead, go into video planner, put your title there, and then any other notes that you want to put there, you're able to do that as well. That is an awesome tool which we should use, guys, and I love it so very much. Now, the growth for me since I have been using Tubebuddy, as I said before, I came across Tubebuddy in May 2020. I started using the free version June of 2020. Prior to using Tubebuddy, my average view time was between 3 to 4 minutes average, and the percentage was between 30 to 40% or even lower than that, right? Then when I started to use the free version in June 2020, my average view time, it moved and it went to 4 to 5 minutes, and the percentage was between 40% to 50%. And then I realized now that the bigger channels, they were saying that that is a sweet spot once you're able to get views between 40 to 50. And the retention rate for me, that was where it was at when I was using the free version. So when I realized that for me, my percentage using the free version was between 40 to 50%, I was in awe. Also, just to let you know as well that my subscriptions, it's not going as fast as some other person's subscriptions are going. But guess what? My retention rate, that is awesome, because that means persons are basically staying on my channel. I am providing persons with valuable information, so they are staying to the end of my videos, which that's a plus, and I love that. And as I'm always telling persons, it's that do not chase the subscribers because they are out there, but make sure you work on your watch hours. Your watch time is very much important, more than the subscribers. Yes, the subscribers are important, but the watch time as well, right? So when I realized that using the free version, I was like, okay, now I need to make an educated decision. And as you realize, based on what I have been saying leading up into this video, now you know that I am using the pro version of Tubebuddy, and now my average view time, it is between 5 minutes to the end of the video. So that it would be between 5 to 6 minutes, thereabout average. And remember, I'm coming from 3 to 4 or below that. So using the pro version, that is where I am at now, and I'm very happy about this, right? And my retention, it is awesome, because the percentage which I'm at now, it is between 45 to 60 and even sometimes 70%, and that is amazing for me. So this is why I have to share this with you, and I would love for all of us as content creators here on YouTube for us to create valuable information for everyone. The same way I learned this information, I'm making sure to pass it on someone who might be looking at this very video today. Now we're in August. I am going to be showing you what my percentage is now since I have been using the pro version. I am looking forward to many great things happening with using Tubebuddy. No matter how small or how large your channel might be, you need to invest in yourself for you to grow. Do not just rely on just one source for you to grow, right? So go ahead, invest in the Tubebuddy, use the free version. As I said, I'm going to be leaving my link in the description, and I'm also going to be pinning it there as well. So just go ahead, try out the free version. Yes, it is going to be asking you to grant Tubebuddy permission to a lot of stuff, but yes, go ahead, use it, grant them the permission, because they are certified by YouTube. So once they're certified by YouTube, you have nothing to worry about, guys. So go ahead, download the free version, get the extension. Once you click on my link there, it's going to help you. It's going to tell you to go to the website. Once you go to the website, go ahead, just click on the extension and you're in. Make sure you sign up for it. And if you just want to jump the gun and you want to go ahead and just jump right in and get the pro version, just use my code. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen as well, but also I'm going to be putting all of this in the description area and also in the comment area, so you're able to get the benefit as well. I hope you'll all use this, maximize it to the best of your ability, so you're able to take advantage of Tubebuddy, because it's out there to help us, guys. So make sure you use it. All right, I can't preach anymore to you. All I can do is just give you the information, and it's all left to you to use it. That's it for the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment area there, what are your thoughts if you have been using Tubebuddy, or if you're going to be using it. All right, I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying take care, walk good, see you in the next video. Bye.